Well, it's that time again. We're going to take a look at the Dollar General weekly ad for the days of March 8th through March 14th. Starting out with a lot of drink promotions, and on these Pepsi products for Pepsi and Mountain Dew is 3 for $15, but if you clip that $1 digital coupon, that makes it 3 for $14. For the laundry promotions, you can save $5 when you spend $30 on any Gain Fabric Care products, and there's a $2 off digital coupon in the Dollar General app for the Gain products. You can also save $5 when you spend $20 on brands shown here, such as Snuggle, Persil, Purex, All, Dow, and Soft Scrub, and there's a $1.50 digital coupon in the Dollar General app. Here's another really good promotion. Instantly save $5 when you spend $15 on any brand shown here. It's Ajax, Palmolive, Fabulosa. They've got the Murphy's Oil Soap, Soft Soap, Irish Spring, Hello, Colgate, Suavitel, and Speed Stick. And you'll want to be sure to clip the $1.50 off digital coupon for the Fabulosa, the $1 digital coupon off for Palmolive, and there's another $1 digital coupon for the Ajax. There are a lot of good paper promotions going on. So with the Scott paper towel, there's a $3 sale. For the Kleenex facial tissues, you can get 2 for $10, and there's a $1.50 digital coupon off for Angel Soft. Now, for those of you who will be making Easter baskets, don't forget Easter Sunday is April 5th this year. And they've got a lot of good promotions for Reese's. You can get them 2 for $2. For the Ferrero Crunch Baby Ruth 1000 Grand Butterfinger candies, so many to choose from here. Looks like they're 5 for $5. And you can save $1 instantly when you buy 2 packs of Nerds candies. And if you also want to stuff in some Easter plush, then they are $3. And for the gift cards, there are 15% off promotions going on the select gift cards that are shown. So it looks like there's Wayfair, Cinemark, Domino's Pizza, Wendy's, and Krispy Kreme. There's another really big promotion going on this Saturday, March 14th only. So be sure to click the digital coupon for $10 off when you spend $40. As the weather continues to get warmer, we are seeing so many great drink deals. So for the Dr. Pepper, Sunkist, Canada Dry, 7-Up, RC Cola, and A&W, they're 3 for $16. Gatorade drinks are 2 for $3. And for the 6-pack, they're 3 for $12. There's a $1 digital coupon for Coke or Sprite products. And for the Monster drinks, they are 3 for $7.75. Lastly, in this drink section, for the Mott's drinks, they are having a $3 sale. If you need to stock up on snacks, there's a $2.45 digital coupon for Frito-Lay chips, and the Doritos will be 2 for $7. The Goldfish Pepperidge Farm products will be 2 for $5. Ruffles chips will be 2 for $8. Ritz crackers are 2 for $7. And the Honey Maid crackers are 2 for $8. In the Slam Dunk Savings section, I guess if you're going to be hosting March Madness, they've got paper plates. They're 3 for $5. And they have the hefty Ziploc bags, 2 for $6. Now for the Dawn and Febreze section, there's a 50-cent digital coupon for the Dawn products and a $2 digital coupon for Febreze. You can also save $5 when you spend $25 on any brand shown here, and that's on Charmin, Bounty, and Puffs products. And to wrap things up, if you're wanting to get outside in your yard or your garden, they've got planters for $3. They've got lawn decor and solar stakes for $3, and seed packets too for $1. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I hope you're able to take advantage of some of these amazing deals this week at Dollar General.